And there it is, the main sign, the main building, the entry, which is just down there, coming off the main strip. Beach is right there, guys. The beach is right there. What an awesome hotel this has been. We've been here for a few nights, but I thought I'd do an official walkthrough and show you. So let's go and go to the front entry of the lobby, which looks fantastic, absolutely awesome. I do like the security check-in point right there, which is really good. Putting bags and whatnot in. Check out this foyer. Check out this foyer. I'm pretty sure this goes up towards like executive, well not executive, you know, meeting rooms and tables and stuff like that. Haven't really ventured up there, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Come up to the foyer, the front reception area. Fantastic, awesome staff, really, really nice. Look at this lobby. This is definitely a bit more upmarket than what I usually stay at, but it's been totally worth every single bit of it. I'm so glad we changed to this hotel, because there was a bit of a thing about the hotel we were going to be staying at, but super happy we stayed here instead. We just go up to our rooms just here via that tunnel, via the elevator. And also we have pretty good gym just up here. Not bad. It's got most things, to be honest. It's got most. Really nice gym. We've even got a pool table in the lobby. You can play some chess if you want. And straight out onto the, I hope it's not going to be too windy. Hopefully not too windy for the mic, so I'm just changing it up. Just going to hold it like this. I haven't got my little mic protector. And straight out to the pool. Look at that. And off to the right we have the beautiful buffet breakfast area. Every morning that has been fantastic. Really, really enjoyed that breakfast. And I've just experienced my first ever cappuccino with honey. I'll be getting those from now on. Got those cabanas over there. They've been awesome, and we've been lucky enough the last couple of days to actually grab one of them, which has been really, really good. The pool bar, guys, let's go have a little look. The pool bar just over here. Look at the size of this place. The top view looks just fantastic. And that's the penthouse suite right up there. We were lucky enough to experience a bit of it. Good mate, who's a part of the boys trip, booked it, so it's the only one up. It's only the only one here. There's no others. So Robbo booked the penthouse suite. Nice own private pool. Very, very cool. We walk around to the bar area. Hello. This has been absolutely awesome. Just drinking cocktails along there in the afternoon sun. Been fantastic. We've had a good couple of sessions there. Hello, just doing a little video as I walk around. Such a nice pool. Toilets are very close, just down that little hallway or little alcove area. And yeah, these cabanas have been fantastic to just put our stuff in, which is basically right next to the pool bar. A little jacuzzi if you want. Right there. Is that warm water?
It's very warm.
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, that's all right. Maybe later. Yeah, thank you, man. So there you go. Haven't tried the jacuzzi yet, but it is actually warm. Nice little grassed eating area. Such a nice spot, man. Such a nice spot. Our room is actually right up there. I'll show you a view of it just in a second on a bit of B-roll footage. That top level 5. Awesome view of it. So there you go. There's a lap around the pool area. We'll go and enter the hotel and see what it's like inside. Very nice. And there's the little kids section of the pool. Really nice and shallow, nice little green grass area. Awesome for the little kiddos. Even the whole pool itself is actually not deep. It's like maybe stomach height. Stomach height on me. I'm 6'2". Or maybe chest height actually, maybe chest. So no deep end or anything like that. So pretty good actually. I really enjoyed that. You can't do bombies and stuff like that, which is good. Yeah, we're just entering another lobby. So there's like 2 lobbies. One straight out to the pool and one way down there, which is the very front lobby, sort of wrapped around. And these are all the long hallways of the hotel. Hello. And down there as well. You know what? It is a pretty big hotel. So I can definitely say I've had an absolute amazing experience at the Stones Hotel, Legian Bali. Hopefully people come across this review, they can get a decent honest review of it and book it for themselves. I'll show you a little sneak peek, just a sneak peek of the penthouse suite if you want. But yeah, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching and all that stuff. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, you know, all that good stuff that helps the video. All right. 5th floor. As you walk in, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Straight away, a beautiful sink and mirror. And the shower and toilet. Very, very nice. Pretty fancy, I'm going to say. This, like I said before, this hospital, this hotel is very nice. And I've got, obviously sharing this room with a mate, makes it a bit cheaper, but we don't mind, nice big screen TV. And straight ahead, obviously there's the beds. And then here is the balcony, level 5. And check out the view. If I can open this door up. I'm twisting. Oh, there we go. Check out the view. Whew. Now that's what I call a pool. Very happy with this, the Stones Hotel. Right near the beach as well, so ladies and gentlemen, strap yourselves in, grab a glass of your favourite something. It's time to go get a nice beer by the pool. Let's do this.